Okay, guys, here's your homework. So you're going to grade it based off the answers that I have on here. If you want to do corrections, obviously fix it on a separate sheet of paper and then staple it and throw it into the bin. So I started number one, and then the dog started barking, so I had to redo it. So I'm just going to explain what I did for number one. It said that she was buying ice cream cone for herself and her sister. So that's two people buying an ice cream cone for $2.35. So I multiplied 235 times 2, which gave me $4.70. So her resulting change in her allowance is she would be paying, so negative $4.70 for ice cream. Number two, Ms. Johnson, the student council supervisor, has $100 to pay for French fries. How many French fry baskets will they need to sell in order to pay for the order? Well, if she only has 100 and French fries are $3.50 a piece, I would have to divide 100 by $3.50. So in order to do that, I need a whole number. So I would have to move it 2 times and then 2 times. So I'm actually multiplying 350 into 10,000. So 350 would go into 1,000 2 times. 350 times 2 gives me 700. So if I subtract, I get 300. Drop down the 0. 350 goes into 3,000 8 times, which gives me 2,800. Leaves me with 200 left over, so I'm going to have a decimal point. So they want to make a, let's see, how many French fries will I need to sell in order to pay for the order? So if this is going to be a decimal, I can't buy a decimal of French fries. So how many would they need to buy? They need to buy one more. So the actual answer would be 29, because you can't buy 28 point something French fries. So you'd have to buy one more in order to pay off the total amount. Number 3, the bottles of soda are sold to the student council in a box weighing 24 pounds. If there are 60 bottles in the box, how much does each bottle of soda weigh? So each bottle of soda weigh. So if there's 24 total pounds, and there are 60 bottles, 60 goes on the outside, 24 goes on the inside. 60 goes into 24 0 times, so drop a decimal. 60 into 240 goes 4 times. So that tells me that each bottle weighs 0.4 pounds. At the end of the night, Ms. Johnson works the student council to determine their profit on the fundraiser. The least popular item was chips, in which they sold only 21 bags. The chips cost a total of $48.10. So let's go ahead and see. Chips are $1.75 each. It says they sold 21 bags. So let's do $1.75 times 21. So 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 1 is 1. Placeholder. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 7 is 14. Plus 1 more is 15. 2 times 1 plus 1 is 3. If I then add it up, it was $36.75. To order the chips before selling them, they ordered chips for $48.10, but they only sold $36.75. So were they profitable? Did they make more than what they bought the chips for? So we need to say no. And to explain, we can subtract 48.10 by 36.75. I need to borrow. I need to borrow again. So no, because they were in the negative by $11.35. Okay, so if you make corrections, staple it, throw it in the bin, and then you're moving on to the next worksheet. So make sure that you've received